Hi viewers!
Have a nice viewing.
I'm Shaan Ray Rai and this is my partner.
Angelique Frances Congo. And we are the student of Educational Technology 2. And we are going to share some knowledge, ideas, and informations about information technology in support of student-centered learning.
So, student-centered learning is just an idea to give the individualized learner to have an idea to propose assignment or homework to see if he or she can handle a designated work. This traditional method learning styles that gave best results among the student learner. John Dewey. Oh, before I discuss who he is, do you have any idea on who he is?
I think he is an educational educator. He argued for a highly active and individualized pedagogical method which placed the student at the center of the teaching learning process.
And also, John Dewey was an American philosopher, psychologist, and educational reformer whose ideas have been influential in educational and social reform.
So now we are going to discuss the two types of classrooms. There are two types. First is the traditional classroom and second is student-centered learning classroom. Siya will going to discuss what is the traditional classroom.
So, traditional classroom is always arranged in columns and student chairs, and basically the teacher stands in front of the classroom to give instructions to the students and maintain discipline. In front, the teacher controls classroom activities, gives lectures, and discusses events.
Okay. Siya will show how the teacher discuss the traditional way.
For example, the teacher will post visual aids like this and explain what is written on it.
And now, I'm going to discuss what is student-centered learning classroom. The student-centered learning classroom, a traditional learning process in which the teacher gives information to the student. Learning, like pouring water from a jug to a cup, the teacher must perform the rule of teaching very well so that learning can occur. So this learning approach is known as direct instruction and work in obtaining many kinds of learning outcomes.
Computer word processing for performing computer word processing for text or graph presentation. So this is how you edit or resize the size. This is how you edit the font.
Preparing PowerPoint presentation. If you want to if you want to change the design of your slide, just click the design, then choose what you want.
If you want another slide, just click the new slide and choose what you want. Searching for information on the internet. Just type what you want to search.
Brainstorming on ideas, problems, and project plans as needed. The teacher facilitating instruction also gives individualized instruction to serve individual needs, like what they are doing. Given this new trend in teaching and learning, it must be pointed out, however, the traditional classroom activities, especially in less developed countries, will continue to have a strong place in the classroom. In spite of the set experience in some countries, the option has now been opened for the modern teacher to gears to student-centered learning. Paano naman